You guys, look what I got! Oh, this is it! Oh, I'm so happy. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Suli. Welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. I was not going to record this because I just honestly don't feel well today. I'm like nauseous and I have a headache. I don't know what's going on, but I got this big package from Drunk Elephant and I'm so excited because if this is what I think it is, I've been dreaming about getting something like this from them. So I think this might be their holiday set, which every year they do something different. So they usually do like a trunk 2.0, 3.0, and this year it's the 4.0. And last year they did a whole bunch of skincare products in a skin fridge, like in a mini fridge for skincare products. And this year it's in a suitcase. It's in like a carry-on suitcase because they're doing a collaboration with, I forgot the name of the brand. I'll put it here. So this box is huge and it says Trunk 4.0. Okay, guys? So I think this is what I'm hoping it is, but I was like, you know what? Let me just like open this up and record so I can get this whole reaction because I'm super excited about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing this. I'm probably gonna have to put it on a key. Get a key to open it up. Let's start opening this. I'm so excited, you guys. You don't know, like I got this email and I was like, don't mind me, I'm in my like UAlbany sweatshirt. But I got this email and I was like, oh my God, I think this is what I think it is, but I wasn't sure. I just saw that it was 13 pounds and I was like, what could possibly be 13 pounds that they're coming out with? So let's see. All right, here we go. Oh God, I'm nervous. You guys, look what I got! Oh, this is it! Oh, I'm so happy. I don't even want to take it out yet because I'm so happy. You guys! Wait, I gotta get this on Instagram. Hold on. All right, you guys, let me take this out for real. You guys, this is the Monos and Drunk Elephant collab, and this is the Trunk or the Trunk 4.0. I don't even, you know when you're so excited that you got something that you just don't want to open it? I don't even know why that makes sense, but if you know what I'm talking about, comment down below. You guys, I got a whole carry-on luggage. Look how cute this is. This is like weekend getaway, super like sleek. Look at that. Look at that. And it says, our Trunk 4.0 contains everything you need to reset the skin to its healthiest, happiest state. Mix 2 drops of this with a pump of that, or maybe 2 pumps of that with a dab of this. Or go wild and do 3 pumps of this, a drop of that, and a swipe of the other thing. The point of this is this. Play. You can't go wrong. And remember to top it all off with the Umbra before you head outside. I'm just so happy. Drunk Elephant, if you're watching this, thank you so, so much because you just made my day. All right, I need to open this. Okay, so I just want to point out that this is a carry-on luggage that is a 4-wheeler and it has a little lock here that you can put your coat in. Here, I'll zoom in. See, so you can set it here. And let's go ahead and open it to see what's in here. Okay, so I started opening this up to share on my Instagram stories, but I do want to share what's on the card because I feel like it's really important. So it says, Travel has always been a source of inspiration, just the idea of getting away, whether it's a week on the other side of the ocean or a couple of days down at the shore. Over the last year, of course, the idea of travel has taken on much more of a profound significance, teaching us what a gift it is to explore the world. However, near or far from home we may be, to celebrate the gift of travel, we have collaborated with Monos to come up with a custom wheelie prepped with 10 full-size Drunk Elephant products. Throw in some clothes, a toothbrush, a good book, and you're set wherever life may take you. This is the Drunk Elephant and Monos collaboration. And in it, we have 10 full-size products in here, which I pretty much know what all of these are, okay? But we're gonna go through them just so you guys can see what's in this suitcase. I cannot even believe that this is a thing. I am so happy, Drunk Elephant. If I didn't say this in this video already, thank you so much. I'm definitely going to be using this wheelie. I think this is great. This is great for like a weekend getaway, a small weekend trip where you just want to pack a few things and you want to travel light. So it's beautiful and thank you so much. All right, let's get into these products. So just so you can see, there is 10 full-size items in here, which is driving me crazy just looking at it. Good crazy, obviously, because I just can't believe these are all mine. And then there's like some samples here. And then we have minis here. But I just want to show you guys what we have really quickly. So first and foremost is the Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense SPF, which this is awesome. I've never tried this now that I think about it because I have the sun drops and I have the SPF, but I never had both of them together. So I'm not sure if this is new or not. I have to look into this, but this is the first item. And then we have the number 9 Jelly Cleanser, which is one of my favorite cleansers because it's just so gentle on the skin, but it does a great job at cleansing your skin. And then this is one of my top 3 favorite items, the TLC Glycolic Night Serum, because it's just so good for your skin. And when you wake up the next day, you literally can see just how refreshed your face is and how smooth your skin is. So this is that, and I just love their packaging, like the way that you typically expect to open products, they just surprise you with how it goes. We have the retinol cream, which this is going to be new for me because I've never used retinol cream and I've been hearing about it so much. So it'll be nice to just be introduced to something new and, you know, try something new out. So this is the A Passiony retinol cream. This is the polypeptide cream, which serves as a facial moisturizer. And this is so, so good. I love this. This and the whipped cream that they have are like some of my favorite moisturizers. So I'm happy for that. Then we have the C Firma Day Serum, which is currently what I'm using right now. I keep my current one in the fridge just because it does have vitamin C in it, so that just prolongs the shelf life. And the famous virgin marula oil. I love this. This is another one that's in my top 3, but to be honest, this is top 1. This is like my favorite Drunk Elephant product. If I had to choose between the TLC night serum, the marula oil, and the baby facial, I would say this is my favorite one. Speaking of baby facial, we have the TLC Sakari baby facial mask. So what it is it's a mask, and it has AHA, 25% AHA and 2% BHA, made with chickpea flour. We have their intensive hydration serum. Let me zoom in. And then we have some eye serum, which I've never tried Drunk Elephant's eye serum, so that'll be new for me. So all in all, these are the products that it was packed with. And then it came with a little note, which I can share. This is it, guys, and I think this is so awesome. I don't know if I caught the front in the video, so I just want to show it to you guys really quickly. This is the front, and it is just so beautiful. You can see it has accents of like this lime green here with the Drunk Elephant logo, and then the zipper is green. I just think this is so sleek, and I cannot wait to travel with this. Oh my God, guys, you have no idea. Yeah, you guys, that was my unboxing of my Drunk Elephant 4.0. I am so grateful to even have this product here, this whole collab, just because I remember when Trunk 3.0 came out and it was in like this mini fridge, and I thought that that was so cool, and I was like, oh my god, I want one. And to have the 4.0 is just like a full circle moment for me. So if you have any Drunk Elephant products, let me know below. I shared with you guys like what are my top 3 as far as like the luxury oil, the facial mask, and all that other stuff. So if you can share yours with me, that would be awesome, and we can kind of just exchange favorites below. I feel like I can't even talk today. I don't know what's going on, but make sure that you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.